Are you interested in learning SEM in a simple and easy way? Then you need to unlock the power of structure equation modeling with Mastering Structure Equation Modeling with Amos, from fundamentals to advanced technique, the ultimate online course. This online course provides a comprehensive learning experience in structure equation modeling using SPSS Amos, designed for beginners and individuals with basic SEM knowledge. This course covers a wide range of topics from the basics to advanced techniques. Topics covered include Introduction to SEM, Amos graphic, structure equation modeling using Amos software, model identification, confirmatory factor analysis, measurement of model fit, modification indices, second order CFA modeling, reliability and validity test, multiple group analysis, multiple model analysis, mediation analysis, moderation analysis, and moderated mediation analysis, mediated moderation analysis, parallel mediation, and serial mediation. Course of time, we will add additional topics to this course. Gain lifetime access to our course videos and join our monthly live webinar and explore practical application for structure equation modeling. For just rupees 1000, get lifetime access to our course video and webinar. Don't miss out. Take your research to new heights. Enroll today and master structure equation modeling. Visit myeasystatistics.graphy.com. Check the link in the description.